是举重或重训已经成为现代人流行的运动之一，你也是他们效仿的对象。那请给这些爱训练的朋友们一些鼓励。那其实真的是自己也是感受非常非常的深。那大家对于举重的这个部分呢，也是很多人都愿意去尝试，然后也非常喜欢。那我觉得非常非常的棒，对于我来说真的非常非常棒，因为毕竟曾经举重算是比较冷门的一个项目，那能够有这样的风潮，我觉得对于举重来说也是非常棒的一个改变。那当然也希望大家可以就是举重虽然说就是有时候虽然说会很无聊或者是很乏味，那我觉得其实从中去找到自己可能想要的目标跟热情，我觉得这一定可以带你看到更多更多。对，就像举重带给我的，就是不只是在追求这个金牌或追求这个纪录，那我觉得它带给我的是很多的是影响力吧。绝对就是尤其是自己在举重赛场上的表现能够影响到可能很多领域的大家，我觉得这就是举重带给我的非常大的一个表现非常大的一个助力啊。对，然后也希望就是大家能够在训练上能够坚持下去哦。就是有时候可能有伤或者是很累的时候，一定要告诉自己坚持下去，坚持下去就是你的啦。那其实这段时间的心情上，其实越接近越有压力啦。那也一路看，就是看永伟拿到了银牌，那真的是台湾史上楼到第一面的奖牌，所以我觉得那蛮振奋我自己的心情的。对，然后再加上很多人的支持跟加油声，我也是一个一个这样子去看，然后也让自己能够充满着力量来面对今天的这场比赛这样。那我觉得这是一个非常大的一个责任，所以在比赛一开始就是先稳金牌，然后后面再冲纪录这样。对，那其实从12年的失利到16年的错过了奥运的金牌，那到现在最后终于拿到了，当下当然非常的激动。那虽然说没有把自己的水准表现出来，但是我觉得至少在运动生涯中的这个金牌的拼图最后一块终于拿到了。那在这里也要谢谢大家就一路走来看我，就是尤其是就是大概你们就是一路走从小这样看到我到我拿到奥运金牌这样，然后其实对就是很谢谢大家。
I mean, we were up with a minute 30 left. We had a chance to knock down a three. We got a couple rebounds. I missed a three I think to go up either 2 or 3. Something happened crazy, and it became like a 4-point swing. I feel like we missed a couple threes there, and again, France is a good team. They play very, very well together. And you can even tell that they just stayed consistent throughout the whole game. There's times where we're up 9, up 10, and at those points, you know, we just gotta keep going. We gotta break that barrier. But I'm very positive about tonight. France is a good team, and I feel like we'll just get better every game.
Thank you.
Should Team USA improve for the next game?
I think defensively, we had a couple mishaps there where we have to be better. I feel like we went through a lull where our defense wasn't helping us out, and that could be with shots and shots missed. But I feel like our defense has to be on point the whole time, because again, these national teams have played with each other for years now, and we're kind of new to this. Everybody on this team.
Thank you.
Luigi, how does it feel to become Olympic champion in your home country, Japan?
やっぱり嬉しいです。
Was that the answer? Luigi, how does it feel to be Olympic champion in your country? How are your feelings in this moment?
嬉しいです。Estou muito feliz porque sempre foi um sonho de estar aqui e de estar realizando o sonho dos meus pais que criança é jogadora de futebol e poder competir nas Olimpíadas. Então, de estar representando bem o Brasil e de ter uma medalha e de mostrar pro pessoal que o skate não é só para meninos. E, cara, eu tô muito animada, tô me divertindo bastante. Eu daria pro meu irmão, na verdade os três, o Felipe, o Carmison e o Arthur, que estão lá em Imperatriz torcendo por mim. E dividir com meus pais também, daria um pedacinho para cada um, que pode ter certeza que se não fosse eles eu com certeza não estaria aqui. E só tenho que agradecer mesmo a eles. Isso.